Hello everyone, this is Chris Hans. We're gonna do a walk-in video in Streeterville in downtown Chicago. The time is 3:40 p.m. on Tuesday, October 25th, 2022, and it's raining in downtown Chicago. So we're gonna do a video in the rain. It's not gonna be very long, but I'm just gonna show you a little bit the rain. And this is the Museum of Contemporary Art, and then we're just gonna walk this way. We're in Streeterville, walking in the rain. So the next street we're approaching Pearson Street. Temperature is about 55 to 58 degrees Fahrenheit. A little bit cool. People are wearing jackets and raining. It's not raining hard at the moment, but it was earlier. And it's going to be raining on and off for the next 24 hours. I'm going to show you the beautiful trees here in Streeterville and the residences. Look how beautiful this tree is. Look at all the fall colors there. So this is Pearson Street. We're on the sidewalk, of course. And look at all the leaves coming down from the trees. Just another beautiful, beautiful day. I like Chicago, rain or shine, and especially in the rain in the fall, you can see how beautiful the picture looks. I'm going to take a picture while I'm doing the video. Alright, the good thing about this camera, it lets me take pictures while I'm filming. So what I do, I post the pictures on Instagram and then the videos on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Twitter. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click subscribe underneath this video, or if you're watching this video from a different social media platform, go to youtube.com/ChrisPresents. I have the same handle in all 5 social media platforms. We're going to stick around here on Pearson Street. It's raining. I got my umbrella. This camera is waterproof, so I don't have to worry about the camera being ruined in the rain. It's taking beautiful, beautiful pictures. I'll show you some of the buildings here. This is the corner of Pearson and DeWitt Place. And then this is Lakeshore Park. Usually there's people running, playing tennis here. There's nobody here, obviously, because of the rain. So let's just keep walking on Pearson Street. This is not going to be a very long video. I don't know how long the video is going to last, but it's not going to be a long video. But look how beautiful the trees are on Pearson Street. It's a beautiful October afternoon here. Amazing. Again, it's Tuesday, October 25th, 2022, and it's almost 4 p.m. 55 to 58 degrees Fahrenheit. Raining. Very quiet, very peaceful. This is Streeterville. This is the area where I live and work. It's 60611, the zip code, Illinois. And look at this beautiful tree. This tree is not very tall, but it's beautiful. Yeah, look at the colors on the trees. All right. All right, well, staying on Pearson Street, and now we're approaching DuZable Lakeshore Drive. DuZable Lakeshore Drive. I'm going to try to cross the street and go on the other side, and then go north on on Lakeshore Drive. Of course, in Streeterville, we're not gonna go too far away. Too much rain here. I just love filming during the day. I mean, in the rain. I like filming in the snow. All kinds of conditions, so you can see how beautiful Chicago looks even on a gloomy day like this. All right, let's cross and go on the other side on Pearson Street. Nobody's coming. We're good. We're gonna go back on the sidewalk. It looks like the rain intensity is increasing at the moment. It's raining a little bit harder here by the lakefront. But that's okay. Not very windy at all. It's just the rain is coming down. So this is the South Lakeshore Drive. It's rush hour. That's why there's so much traffic going north and south. Look at this. And that's the lakefront over there that you cannot really see because of the rain and the clouds. So let's just go this way. Let's just walk north on Lakeshore Drive. Beautiful, beautiful Chicago. I'm going to show you some of the architecture in Streeterville here. This is 850 Lakeshore Drive. You see the address over there. I'll show you how beautiful this building is. Look at that, all the way up in the sky. This is one of the new, the old skyscrapers, high rises in downtown Chicago. Probably from the 30s or the 40s. All right, now we're approaching the Chestnut Street. This is again Lakeshore Drive. Lots of traffic. It's raining really hard at the moment. And now we're gonna go on Chestnut Street. This is beautiful Chestnut Street. I'm gonna take a picture. All right. No cars coming. I'm gonna get back on the sidewalk. Look how beautiful this flowers are from the building. We're on Chestnut Street now. And then you got the John Hopkins Center over here. I'll show you in a minute. I'm sure you can't see it all the way up because of it's cloudy, but oh no, you can see it. Here it is right there. Taking a picture. That's the John Hopkins Center right over there. So we're just walking now west on Chestnut Street. We started on Pearson Street, went on the South Lakeshore Drive, and then we made a turn. We made a turn to Chestnut Street, and then you can see it's raining. It's raining big time now. I'm the only one on the street. I got my umbrella, got my camera. Look how much water there is here. Look at all this water. Alright, let's keep going. And now we're approaching DeWitt Place. We're gonna make this a 10-minute video. Short video, relatively speaking. We'll make it less than 10 minutes, maybe 9 minutes and a few almost 10 minutes, because we can post this video also on TikTok if it's less than 10 minutes. Alright, we're gonna end the video pretty soon. Thank you everybody for watching. We're gonna end the video right here on DeWitt and Chestnut Street. Alright, thank you for watching.